Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to be telling you about a free download manager for all the Mac users out there. So let's begin the video. The first question that you might have, that Wasay, why should we even download a dedicated download manager as we can simply download files from Google Chrome or Safari? Well, you are right, but having a download manager has some of its perks. The first thing is that you can download multiple files at the same time, where you can prioritize each download, which is not available in Chrome or Safari. The second thing is that when you are going to download huge files, then the download manager is going to be beneficial, as you have the ability to pause and resume any file. But if you do it on Google Chrome or something like that, then most probably the download is going to restart. So if you have downloaded 25 GB of data and if you press on pause and resume, then most probably it's going to re-download the whole thing. So that's the second benefit of having a download manager. And the third benefit is that you're going to get much better download speed with the download manager. So I am going to be showing you a free download manager which is called Folx, and it is available for Mac users. So here on your Mac you're going to download the Folx app, and it is not available on the Apple App Store. However, you can open any browser and search for macdownloader.com. I will put the website link in the video description. Here you're going to click on download for free. Once you have downloaded Folx setup, you're going to have the DMG file. Just simply double click on it, drag and drop Folx into the applications folder. We're going to close this. We're going to eject it from here, and now you're going to open applications and you're going to launch Folx. It's asking me to check for an update, so I don't want to check for an update right now. And here is the basic interface of Folx, which is pretty simple yet powerful. Here you're going to have all the tasks or files that are being downloaded. So this is pretty simple. Now let me just show you how you can download any file using Folx. For this you can open any browser. For me, I am using Google Chrome, and on your browser, either it is Google Chrome, Opera or Safari, you're going to download the Folx extension, which is completely free. Once you have installed the extension, make sure that you restart your browser for it to work. And now you're going to open any website from which you want to download files. In my case, I'm going to download this Unity setup. So we're going to click on download. And here on the browser, you're going to have this pop-up menu only if you have installed the extension. So it says, do you want to open Folx? We're going to select always and press on open Folx. Here are some basic options. Here is the link from where the file is being downloaded. You're going to give a location to which you want the files to be downloaded. Usually you can click on choose other, and here you can define the destination folder. In my case, I usually like the files to be on the desktop, but you can select any folder. After that, click on open, and here you need to define the number of threads. Again, the more threads you have, the faster the download will be, but I think there is a limit with the free version of Folx. And here start immediately or scheduled. Again, the scheduled is a pro feature, but immediately works as well. You can rename the file that is being downloaded. Here you have other things as well as authentication. So you're going to just simply click on OK, and the file download process will start immediately. As you can see, here it is showing the total file size, which is 149 MB, the file that is being downloaded, the remaining time, the download speed, and for any time you can just pause the download and the download will be paused. And not like other things, if you want to resume the download, just click on the resume button and the download will start from where it was paused, meaning that it will not restart from the very beginning, which is the main cool feature about Folx. If you click on Folx, go to preferences. Here you have some general options like how many maximum tasks do you want to download at a single time. You can change this option. Here you have all of these different options. You can set up proxy settings. The scheduler is a pro feature. The smart speed is again a pro feature, and you can set different tags, like these are some pre-made one, but you can add multiple tags. You have browser, torrents and search. So a lot of options are available within Folx, and you can see the download has been completed. If you don't know where the download is saved, you can just simply right click on the file and you're going to click on show in finder, and it's going to show you the actual file where it is downloaded. And you can also download multiple files at the same time. If you want to change the priority of the download, you can right click on it, and if you want to increase its priority, just click on move up or move to top, and if you want to reduce its priority, just click on move down or move to down. So yeah guys, this is the free download manager that is available on your MacBook. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestions regarding Mac videos, do tell me. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.